Amen.
Amen.
For Bible name go Hosea chapter 4 verse 6 to 7.
Hosea chapter 4.
Hosea chapter 4 verse 6 to
Verse
7.
number 6 to 7.
Okay.
Yeah, can you read yourself?
Okay.
I see nimdia me my ininti. We make one egu.
Shamanim. Bible kasafa nimdia ho. Nimdia aya dia ye friend no knowledge. And your word ye friend nyansa.
Sir.
Brofo friend no wisdom.
Wisdom.
Difference between knowledge and wisdom any. Knowledge ye friend no nimdia no. And no ye wo ma wo do me yenu. Ye wo nimdia ye be fa na sase we so. And ye wo nimdia ye fa wo nyame ho. Knowledge about life and knowledge about God. Na ade ba ko a e wo so obi ate ase nie. Knowledge a ye kan wasem no. Se abrabo di pempo bia mewie ni yi a we nye more of knowledge. Na wisdom de nyame na de ma.
Sanity.
Obni pa biara wo pe ade a ye frɛ no ni nyansa no. Nyame na ba nyansa. Eti Bible say nyansa mfiti ase ani nyame hiro. But okwase ase na koma mo se nyame ni ho.
Sanity.
E kire say ade e ba di pa to bi nyansa nyame na de ma nipa.
Sanity.
But se wo pesa wo di ye wasase we so a ye wo nimdia wo do bi o ho a ano de etwase wa wo pe.
Sanity.
Hello.
Hi.
Se onipa bi pese wo ye yie na se wo no apesa na nimdia no a wo ye diai wontimi nye yi. Ya wo ne be bi wo wasase wo ya eti so no onyame mfiri soro mfa ho nimdia mrewo aye wo nipa na wo ti asase we so a wo pesa niema koye ma no wo say nipa na wo so ja sa niema no nimdia. So there are a certain knowledge that you can only get them when you decide to seek for them on this earth, because God will never bring you those knowledge. You will nimdia bi wo ho se wo wampa onyame mfa mrewo asase so ayati so betima tena asase we so a wo ye nimdia ye de tena asase we so.
But send for my Jesus.
Hello.
Hi.
So why not send nimdia de tena asase we so aboa.
Sanity.
Amen.
Amen.
Bible ni ka say bi Hosea baby that tell about monti ase. There's difference between reading and understanding. You can read and you may not understand.
Surely.
Ubetima kan ade na wonti ase. Was it nimdia me mani nti. Ye betwe magu tisade yan.
Esre.
Esre. So wo kodo obi kura sika ntwasera o to de say na ni adwa gu fom.
Sanity.
A kire say so nipa bi anya nimdia a wa asase we so a na brabo aye se de ye twa na brabo agu. Na tie bi ye. Ye won niema bebre wo asase we so a ye din gugu as Christians. And the main reason that ye din gugu no enya baifo enya hombone enya nsuo enya motia enya sumai. Reason that Christopher bebre edin gugu wa brabom is their lack of knowledge. Nimdia omuni.
Sanity.
Ye wa wade bebre wa egu a enya baifo na egu awade no. The reason that wade ni kunya no ye say onipa na wo kwa wade nim no nimdia ka say de wade woni bi. Bebre akwa wade am na guanya before na gu ma wade.
Sanity.
Awade na gu because they lack knowledge. Omuni awade wonim de. Na ma men kan se kwache o. Ade bi wo wiase bi a wanya wonim de. Sa de no wonya kro be firi wonsa. Mi temu biem. Ade bi wo wiase a wanya wonim de. Wonya sa de no kro be firi wonsa. Mi tina ya metimi akotoka. God don't know ya. But scan a crab in the betima say from inside within some few days. Other idea. If you are minim dia, ya de cracker who be took an opa. I was a car who named the catcher or say, I was so changing a checking so, what check your engine while you're checking Nema. I check you break and sand what to. So when you see how to maintain a car, you can buy a car, but at the end of the day, lose the car.
But send for my Jesus.
Sana sawo be so ko ware na wanya wade wonim dia obetima wade bare begu bebre ti aso dem bo mpaye awurade mama mama wade o Awurade mama wade po e wo so sa ja sampa na ka che Awurade se Awurade mama nim die aye de ware efiri se so bom pese Awurade ma wade pa se de na nya wade pa no ne wa nya nim die abetimi de akra wade na be firi won sa
Bon sen fama Jesus.
Hello.
Hi.
E twa de bia. Obabi wo ansa na be ware no. E ma ne nya wade se wanya mfie bi nti waso wade it does not qualify you to be a marriage material or for you to marry. What qualifies you for you to get married is your knowledge about marriage.
Bon sen fama Jesus.
Hello.
Hi.
Bebrewa enfia wodi ni nkyere so obetima ware. Ye wo ma bebrewa de ntie Awurade ma wade gu ye no. Wanya nimde wa wade hu te wade be so sa akona sa akosuya. Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
So wanya nimde wa wade no a obetima wade ba de begu. I was so wanya nimde said yes itina wade ase. Wanya nimde said yes ni be ma atena. Wanya nimde said yes isi fie. Wanya nimde said yes ya aduane. Wanya nimde said yes ni be ma kasa. Wanya nimde said ye be bufu e ba form. You need a lot of knowledge in order to maintain marriage.
Bon sen fama Jesus.
Hello.
Hi.
If you do not get that knowledge, you will lose the marriage.
Bon sen ma Jesus.
Yo ma bebre wo ho. Woman abenkwan so wanya abenkwan obeya adwenkwan.
Sanity.
Who so wade koda ko so abenkwan ye.
Sure.
You need knowledge about how prepare abenkwan.
Surely.
Obedu a woman akoko se wonua na ofa ne nkwa be koda akoko ni gina nkwan mu aye sei. Akoko gina nkwan mu. Hello.
Hi.
So why nim dia ye de ye sade ma we ya wo be end up losing your marriage.
Surely.
Hwemani na men kan sam kire o. Abenfo ngu bebre awade o. Nim dia woni na agu awade. Yo baby wa bema ka 1 no aka 2 bema ka 3 no aka 4 o baby wa bema no ne te no be se bema ye na pede but o be so bema pede. If you don't develop knowledge about marriage me say na me de so abofo bre okura na ebegu.
Bon sen ma Jesus.
Eti bebre wa ye twoma wade egu ti sesere enya benfo na twoma wade egu because of nindia wo need. Hello.
Hi.
I told them I saw your banner so warrior. I was so compared with Ruby awarded for 40 years, 50 years, 60 years. Now besides mammy, I didn't want to matter what they are such as no more nim dia what it's now what they are saying. Now we just sign him dearly be. Now they are what they are saying. So when you send him there now so this will come because who put this our trouble bone and to that time or no Fujinaswa and then they were at 20 and to be their child there.
Bon sen ma Jesus.
Hello.
Hi.
You need knowledge. Nimdia. Etina me say nimdia ne yepele ha.
Sanity.
I told them ya kobi nje na kope. Obi ni kura wadi for 60 years. Enye mpai bon kwa na ama na wadi for 60 years. Obo mpai ye de but owo nimdia ne be ma timide tena. Enti no ne be ma ne tena for 60 years. So when you say nimdia ne bia okwa wodi ebegu.
Bon sen ma Jesus.
Hello.
Hi.
Eti nimdia ye nie. Ene ma wade ebregu.
Sir.
Yo bi o wa na me ka asem chele di bi. Yo bi o wa nimdia woni wo ahobrasye mu. Enti ku na wade begu. Because obetima yade ebia na asem ba kwen no so kama se problem ni nya sofo ene me ye sorry but because of pride ahomaso ani twa kankanti so be ka che be ma se ye sorry na wade de tima benteni no and obetina na me nka sorry me wo be ka sorry de do be kwa wade 1 million ba na guma me.
Bon sen ma Jesus.
Enti tie me ye nimdia ye pe eto de bia bi so bi se ma me de no wayam wo wade ya kama ewiase wi oyo pinti asase bi enu eda okọ wo goto so bia wore na wade ya ofe a wanfa no bola so ebi mo use years na dia build the marriage or relationship and it took them nimdia oh dia.
Bon sen ma Jesus.
Hello.
Aye.
81 year baby wa so for if you have for yeme be me bia ba me life mu a me hu de me ye na wa gya me ma me hu nim nim de tia be me bia ba no oba wo hia be ma foforo so ma me be pe me wa wo be ma no hia na odidi wo hia be ma within 1 month oh anu afre na bara kofi isra wa ye je di water bill o no de ama o no asa afre na bara kofi ye say light base wa ba o no de ama o Brag of him say, Abiani will be fearing in us or the amounts. But can so what the man will find wanting to be or find wanting it. If we said, when young warrior, who know the until the Bibiana the Beton Swami Patron Mikuran Kamekane, because what the Biba Beko called the Timaswan Yam and Swasadia, and your found.
But some Jesus.
You are too demanding to the extent, so you made the member walk my papa, but I will bet you wako because some dollar drunk to go to know who Jeffrey Bama.
But some Jesus.
A body bit to me, pad. Never did a baby about Wongo.
Sanity.
Hello.
Aye.
So why not send him to when I said Biabajan Bema? When Yankupo Mabema was camping crab over you are too demanding. And your go was it maybe a bad walker and never found a pamano wouldn't even be any Bema City. Your baby one Bematia, then you be free Beman Chanconiano, or Miss Anna was again a Miss Yama Bema Yaman and Yati. And we are saying relationship near Sitania, what dear, a Yansako, Nansaba. I could be a catcher Beman said there be never been music, brother. Manuel can but a fidelity. Or did you know he's kind of the mouth say yet? Wouldn't it be Kulaka say yet? Could be a council so now open my gym and do. And didn't be a man what I
But we send for my Jesus.
And some Bobby our bro.
Bomuye.
Hello.
Aye.
Now we bet back to Sikan Sadia. What one Adian went here?
Sanity.
And I scan out as a woman, and I'm scanning mammy, and I scanning for 1 month here, and I'm scanning mammy, we don't scan mammy there, and you're from Fusubium, mammy, our trainer, or tree, one way to grow more that.
But we send for my Jesus.
But as soon as you be too much of Jawako, or Sorana Pabas is a Bema be about one with Jawako, and Yabe for the Pam once it says to Bembia was swab off for Craba or Beko.
But we send for my Jesus.
Maybe I show them.
Any day me wa.
There be what them.
Yeah, waha.
Or baby to be to our sofa, and no baby at Jimmy Kulu, and as I said, the Bema Qua won't maybe him. Nimdia wouldn't need to know Biajuk. Hey, upon one Nimdia won't mean Nikun. What do you mean?
Okay.
Shamanina man can't summon you. Fedor to him. Oba, I was so all round. Miss also
all round.
And we need to make a some.
Okay.
Your baby, why a bank coin or the bone coin pass. Your bank comma or the bone come pass. Your bassa, a beer we hear Papa, about what said Jinano or Pompaya, we am the show.
Sanity.
A passage to make for no more Jinu Futua or Jinu Futu. A passage and Compamsua, all fall down, only Frigi, Hanas, Mantam Girigi, Eluplane, helicopter, obey you stars. A teacher, my dear, would be better.
Okay.
Oh, what name the ending in Abbey?
Sanity.
What is your all round knowledge? Nim the ending in our hobby. It is a Bema Fanwa, Beman to me now.
Sanity.
Now, so dear, the only Maya, and I made them in mistakes. What can I say in Quania de Waremwa? Wouldn't him plane or be him helicopter?
Okay.
Wouldn't him Mantam Giriki or be him all fall down? Wouldn't him Hanas or be him Machu?
Okay.
Wouldn't him Yentun Kosu or be him helicopter?
Okay. But we send for my Jesus.
Hello.
Hi.
Dear me, I was so in all round.
Okay.
Yaban Piper, we am Piper for bar. Yabaka Sada, when Casakrama Bema Buffon, Akuma Tofo.
Sure.
Nim the other can be no. Yabasa or your Buafo, or your Buafo. Yaban Quania or Bon Quine Pass. Ye wɔn mu adwene a ɔwɔ adwene yɛba sɛ ɔntuufo a ɔwɔ afutupa yɛba sɛ wɔn tenetene a ɔbɛtenetene o wɔyɛ adeɛ nyɛ korɔ de kasa pa bɛkasa akyerɛ wɔn nso wɔayɛ mfonsoɔ yɛkɔ mpam so a wɔne gye ɔba a wɔ saa nimdeɛ wɔ nyinaa no ɛdeɛ na ade bɛgya
wɔn nsɛm fama Jesus
yima no yɛwɔ maa bebree wɔ hɔ a wɔne mu problems ɛna bɛrima bi baeɛ sɔfo bɛrima bi aba no ne mbɛda ano agya bɛkɔ wo problem na ayɛ nanko ana wɔ enti bɛrima bi aba no obɛnya nna no yɛ ɔbɛkɔ I am telling you yɛwɔ obi ɔso ne bɛrima hyia yɛ ɔne nanda so bɛrima no agya no hɔkɔ enti wobɛka no sɛ obi hyia bɛrima ɔse me deɛ me ne wo nna ɛnso bɛrima no agya no hɔkɔ obi nso hyia bɛrima ɔne nanda bɛrima no agya no hɔkɔ ɛnyɛ nna na bɛrima no gya hɔkɔ yi o after ɛna no ɛdeɛ na awɔ ma bɛrima no yɛwɔ 24 hours a day bɛrima sɛbi ne tadua mu ɔden paa no watimi ne ɔba da kora fa ne 2 hours aka 22 hours a day etu wode bɛrima no de 2 hours na wie ne 22 hours no agye mpa nimdeɛ bɛn na wo a wode bɛboa bɛrima no because after ɛna no adeɛ bɛrima no ka wo a ɔnte wo gyae no ɛyɛ 22 hours na aka no nimdeɛ a wo a wode boa no
wɔn nsɛm fama Jesus